This video shows you how to install a PBA436 or PBA439's open column and bracket to an ICS weighing terminal. Screw the two leveling feet into the column. Mount the spacers between the platform and the column. The spacers are needed for all sizes. Use the 4 screws to fasten the column to the weighing platform. Use the domed cup nuts to fix the screws and protect the exposed threads. Adjust the foot by hand until it firmly touches the ground. For more information on leveling, please watch the video how to level the PBA436 and PBA439 platforms. Use 2 cable clamps to fix the cable to the bottom of the column. Use one M8 screw with a washer and a nut to fasten the weighing terminal to the column. Coil the load cell cable inside the column. Put on the load plate. Congratulations, the process is done.